Happy new month and welcome to the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable, Wazobia Max UHF 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt and Abuja, and www.wazobiatv.tv/live. This is not the Ogbonge Politics discussion show, As E Dey Hot, where we say every weekday from 10 to 11 we will carry all the action story where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. Drop them down, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk and do anything be you for body, so that those who the leaders go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name is Ezugwu Chukwudi. I don't go talk too much. I don't see my brother when they inside studio and we're going to discuss the matter as it is hot.
Yes, a beautiful Wednesday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. We don't carry us the hot. Coming away again. We always talk about now this program be the only program we say you go give now informate that is different story about what happen for Nigeria. That is our country Nigeria. The way we take Siam. We know we know the hide mouth. And we go open our phone now when that time reach and by the time we don't establish our talk. We still there for the celebration of Democracy Day and 1 year of Oga Buhari for this thing for office. And this time around we look at from the people's angle. What people think about in government so far in the last 1 year. Now what we will look into today. And when that time reaches, so that at least once now contribute, we also get our own view and our own suggestions about this matter. And my name never still change. My name is Nkubi, and this now As E Dey Hot.
On Monday 30th, we discuss issue when we say everybody been they talk about on the 29th of May, based on 1 year of President Buhari stay for inside office. We get the person when we are the jersey of the National Conscience Party for the 2015 general presidential elections, Engineer Chief Martin Onovo, and then come discuss on the 3 major indices when everybody use rate the government based on the promises when they make, the issue of security, the economy, and the fight against corruption. Based on the results when he give, now person when we say, even if teacher say, okay, let my people go, it no go even feel pass. On Tuesday, we come balance and carry Honorable Princess Folashade Olabanji Oba, APC stalwart, to join us inside studio. And she self come discuss am. She carry her biro talk say, no be time to mark based on say, first year fit shake somehow. But if you do well for the other years wey remain, let me say you go graduate with better results. Today, when be Wednesday, 1st of June, we go try our phone lines open as quickly as possible. Make we discuss on these 3 major indices. Like we talk, security, the economy, and the fight against corruption. What we go like make you do now to give us your own results. If you give us your results, tell us how you think say the government don't fare in the past 365 days. If Oga Presido don't do well by your own standard, you go tell us what he go do more to consolidate. If somehow he be like say he need to do more, you go tell us the kind of things when he go do to use ensure say everything go there very, very solid. Today, now about to now, just as always. But before we throw the phone lines up and start the particular discussion, we go quick rush enter inside one small break. When we go the break, come back to back, it go just be discussion as it dey hot. No go anywhere, we dey come back.
Welcome back. The program now As E Dey Hot, and on today's matter, what will they look? They look that is President's 1 year in office. On Monday, just as Chukwudi tell now, on Monday we carry Ogbonge guest Oga Martin Onovo, we give you own this is the own mark about your own assessment generally about the 1 year of Oga Presido. And also your Tuesday will also bring in Honorable Folashade Oba inside studio. She will also give her own bringing it from bringing it from the woman angle, as people will say then they get patience, say okay, make we see. We know say this year somehow they tough, but you know to balance. But make we see what will happen subsequently for internal. But today it is between us and now. 1 year now own assessment about the President's 1 year in office. Wetin I think which kind of mark now will give them going by the fact that yes, so he don't stay for office and we look at from the same three major this way he highlights on the issue of security, the issue of economy, and the issue of fight against corruption. So Chukwudi see their studios and we'll still address this matter very soon. We'll open our phone line so that at least we're going to collect on our calls to get our own opinion about this issue.
This major indices now something when we say if we check them, we go see say since the return to democratic rule for 1999 after several years of military rule, now 3 things when we say if we check our problem for this country, now on top of the 3 of them, now me rest. Take for example, we dey talk of make government create enabling environment. One of the things when go make enabling environment dey na to ensure say power dey steady. Na to ensure say people feel sleep with their eyes closed. People feel get their business for here. Make them know they worry say wetin go happen to am. He go destroy. I no go fit make profit. I no go dey safe if I dey do wetin I dey do. That one na very very clear indicator say we suppose ensure say security na something wey be say we put for our country, we put them in place. Make we see say things dey go well. If we also talk about anti-corruption, former president Olusegun Obasanjo, when he see the way when we say corruption don chop enter inside Nigeria, he institute the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission. But the EFCC, since the time when they institute them reach today, if we check wetin they don't do, because we dey tie a lot of our problems to say corruption dey, say our army no dey do well, say they no dey pay salary on time, say people dey enrich themselves and their family members, say schools no dey work, say agriculture dey in shambles, say health no, everything dey upside down. Now because of say they talk say if they drop this money to do this thing, some people go chop this money. So corruption na another major problem. If we go look also the issue of the economy. Some people for this country just believe say make the country dey go well so that I go fit feed, take care of my family, make I no even dey pray say make God send manna from heaven for country when they blessed with milk and honey. If we go check these 3 indices, see as the way when the thing they affect our life, go check out politicians when they take out the campaign over the years. It just be like say the political class in Nigeria no get any sense of direction. Because if you talk say see what you want to do, you try this one, it no work, you suppose try another option. If you they do the same thing, they get the same bad result, and you see they do them over and over again, it shows that you are not ready.
It can't be monotonous. It can't be like say, we no get we no feel probably think outside that particular box of that same thing where they do. But Chukwudi, still furthermore on what you just talked. 2 things now they define economy, and if we also look at these 2 things now, the security of the states and also the fight against corruption. If corruption just as you talk, if corruption they eat deep into a particular system, how it is say economy go fit define itself. If we no get security, just as you talk, we no get enabling environment to go fit say okay, say the safety of people, make investors come, make people who want to do it, make people who want start up businesses or start up anything where their own thought or idea, make them to start them up, and they don't get the enabling environment. So okay, say maybe if they just the catch and say, look, this is what I want to do. Show how fit to succeed inside them, and all these things. In the end, if you not come out well, it will still affect the economy. So basically, these 2 major things, security and corruption, it define our economy. Because if we get them right from these 2 angles, you go see say our economy what they talk about, I think it go be very very strengthened. We could take them further. Okay, we don't say okay when Oga Presido come, he address the issue of Boko Haram. Say yes, he go fight Boko Haram. But what we can't see lately, we don't see pockets of insecurity matter, coming out from
that past pockets.
You understand? Coming out from different, we get the Fulani headsmen where we say over time we don't hear about them since. They we never find at least one address or one solution to them. We get the rising Niger Delta matter again, where we say we don't forget. That one don't they rise. We can't get other different kidnapping there. A couple of other things there. So if we they solve one, I can't be say like 20, they come up again. I mean, there are things where we say the government says, okay, we could put this thing in place so that in case if anything of this sort won't do anything, one startup or one crop up, then go this establishment or this body will don't create go fit contain them. Rather than just say okay, you don't fight, you don't address Boko Haram, make we go relax. Others and enter if they come up, they will go fit start afresh to the address. But it does not work that way. So this, if you look at basically. All these things leads to, they define economy. All these things, they define the state of a nation. All these things, they define where our country they head to. So, I mean, if we can't address it, who then will address it for us?
And it's really very, very embarrassing. Say, if we look all these problems, and all of us, they sit down, they discuss and say, okay, see our problems, see the issues when they face, see how we go take fit solve them. It can't be like, say, we not fit solve them. Or we don't even know how we go about solving the thing when we don't face with the problem.
I believe I believe we'll get the when you come talk about the resources, talk about the human resources to address issues for this country. We get them. You understand? We get them. But I just see that negligence, one, then corruption. That one,
but we don't fight corruption for the past 1 year.
Corruption, how far will they fight am? 1 year. Where they fight and reach?
Now you go answer the question now.
No,
now you go answer the.
Don't make this. Don't bring party affiliation to this.
Are you saying that this government is not fighting corruption, or this government is not going anywhere, or this government is not making any headway? But you have been singing for the past 1 year, say corruption. Now you are here now telling us after 1 year, say how far you don't fight corruption. Nkubi, why are you having two mouths? Why are you having two mouths?
No, in fact.
Why are you having two mouths now?
Hey, please. Listen.
No.
What is no? Don't let me talk my talk.
Don't tell me
to listen.
Is
my talk. I have every right to talk.
You can't talk a different talk from what you have been talking since.
Chukwudi.
It's clear. No, it's clear. It's clear. I explained here, from 1999,
listen to me.
Corruption, the economy, insecurity are major problems. Now, everybody agrees, say, one political party went there for 16 years, not do what they're supposed to do.
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you.
Right?
Thank you.
Third time, right?
Okay, will they hear you?
Now, okay, Nkubi, we don't get the opportunity to change the status quo and tableon, that is, to change them from the bad way the day before. But you are now here telling us that for the past 1 year, say, well, una don't fight and reach. And I'm shocked, and I'm surprised,
listen,
and I'm flabbergasted, and I'm overwhelmed, and I'm bamboozled.
Please. Those terms and English way they sing about, I hope they're not designed for me.
Now the way when this situation, then
please reserve your English to yourself. Hold your English, put it in your pocket. Make we talk this matter the way. Why you can't speak out through all this English for me? On top of what we discuss, on top of say we fight how to take address the issue of corruption. What is the meaning of all this?
Why are you taking it out
why
of me?
Why would I take it? No, the same way you take them out of me.
Now me be president.
Look me finish. You can't table all this big English.
Nigerians, can you see me?
What is the meaning of that?
Innocent. Am I the president?
Chukwudi.
Am I the one that promised 5,000? Am I the one that increased one price?
We are taking this issue. Make we take one after the other. No go, they jump into different pockets of this matter. No, just take one after the other.
Tell me result with a mark now. First year result, Abi.
You want mark result. You go come up from say, okay, you never assess this particular one thing. Go they jump into, and that's where you don't even know about.
Okay. The one where you they assess, when already they give you eye problem. When tears go they come up for your eye. You don't go do better to come out, go another play until you blind.
And now cool off now. Come back to Ram.
Cool off and come back to Ram. Cool off and come back to Ram.
See, the issue, in all sincerity, I'm not saying, okay, we don't see some few steps where this government don't take to say they won't address the issue of corruption. At least with the Dasuki Gate matter, it's a typical example. Hold on.
What is a typical example?
No, hold on.
No, excuse me. If you give us a point, you must back it up.
I said
Nkubi, a few minutes ago, you didn't talk, say, for 1 year, where we don't go. Now
I am trying to drive at a point.
Okay, drive. Continue driving. Driver, continue. Downfall.
I am trying to drive at a point.
Drive now, drive. Downfall driver.
No, they fling
I am a downfall driver. Drive. No, drive.
Why you go bring back memory of a song where we say we don't sing?
Nkubi, you don't go escape. No, even carry this thing, go back to hospital.
I was talking to you. Listen to our talk. I will talk.
Okay, yeah, drive.
What you mean? Okay. Don't sing that kind of song.
Okay, Oga driver, drive.
It don't do you.
Okay,
so talking about the Dasuki Gate thing, at least we saw a lot of people say the something implicates. And what they don't bring, at least if you also hear within Oga Novo talk, when he come on Monday, it's okay. Say he does see some steps. But the judiciary, now for the judiciary, say a lot of these issues they caught. Make we see what you want to come from the top. But then the issue here is, if we say they fight corruption.
What is the issue?
If say they fight corruption, make them very, very open to Nigerians. Make we know say yes, this is the issue.
Okay, so Nkubi, for this corruption fight now, the way when you dey see am, when you don't even hear now, don't use style talk say make it not be like say now only make we dey. Go ya mark your own results.
Mark my own results. The corruption. Why will you give me that responsibility?
Are you not a Nigerian?
No, you mark.
Are you not a Nigerian?
No, if our viewers,
no, you must mark first before I mark.
If our viewers mark finish.
No.
From the assessment of our viewers.
Mark first.
From the assessment of our viewers, who will come mark our
Okay, Nkubi, economy.
Very soon. I bet make open phone line.
Nkubi, you want use phone line escape.
Okay,
you want use phone line escape.
No,
you want use phone line escape.
Talk.
No, mark now.
Hold on.
No, mark.
Talk. No, hold on. All right, talk.
Father Abraham, you are generous. Open phone line. Mark before you open phone line. Mark economy. Mark economy.
Don't do you?
No, mark economy.
No, they don't do.
Figures don't lie. Numbers don't lie. Records don't lie.
Okay.
2 plus 2 is 4.
We know
2
that.
minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 0 is what?
3.
Hey.
3.
Nkubi, it's already very, very clear.
That what?
If so at so time, see the percent where we dey. We can't check so time. Cause he said this percent, we don't even go back. What must we do? We must consolidate. Let's stop applying makeup to dead body.
Okay. I'm listening. Go ahead.
You apply makeup to dead body to make am fine. But the smell.
See the smell. We know that one.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
So
Right
what
on.
are we? See. Oh, I
what?
Wait,
Come on.
I forgot my suit.
No.
Political jobber men. Political hallelujah boys.
Okay.
When go always they come out, they talk, say,
praise,
hey,
yes.
no, hey, don't worry, we are Nkubi. If you see, they know they beg, I know our people more than over, they know they beg shit, make it smell. It is in the nature
of shit to smell.
Thank you very much.
We know that. No. We not be this way. We all know that.
Make a balance.
I know where they try to carry your point. Cool.
You can't know where. Is it your point? No, is it your point? You can't know it.
The issue is this.
You can't know it.
I understand the angle.
Order.
And the angle you can't
know it.
In as much as we never say we address the internal system, the internal problem.
It's my point. You can't know my point.
Inside my point.
Objection. No, we will not take it. We will not take it.
Who are you to talk? Why are you speaking on behalf of the people? So you not going to take out?
How will you tell me that you know my point? Is it your point?
I have a clue to what your
How
point
will you have
is.
a clue? Are you in my mind?
I am in your mind. That's what I want to hear. We got to Olamide. Good morning. Talk to us, Oga Olamide.
Hello, boss.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes.
I need a call from Corona.
Yeah, they hear you.
Who could be your own now? Who could make it your own now? What's happening?
No, I am chilling.
I see your word, but if you can't go, I take your mind. I say your mind. See, every something to explain, and you're saying the truth. I'm here feeling exactly what he's feeling. Say you get. Say me.
Okay. Would they hear you, Olamide?
Yeah. So I think I'll beg you. Who could be? I beg you.
So,
okay,
Olamide, quick one. I want to ask you this question. What do you think? Say, as you don't already agree, say okay, and they talk the truth. Based on say, see the way the situation is.
No,
what do you think? Say, please. Our government go fit do to use ensure say, wetin no good, we correct them.
Yes.
The good when they don't do, they improve upon them.
Hello.
I say, what be your own assessment? How you go take correct the government? So, okay, these are the areas where they go need to address where to ensure that at least the lapses they don't get, make they address them.
Firstly, what government reduce corruption.
Okay.
Those are the things that I can say government can do for now.
Okay. Olamide, thank you very, very, very much for this contribution where you drop down. And they urge you say they tell the people where they for Ikorodu say may they do it, may they stick always to as they hot because this is the only program we say we go table the matter to now the way it be. We get Abel. They call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Abel.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Oga Abel, I greet you.
I'm very, very interested in this your morning show that you used to do.
Okay, we hear you. Thank you very much. Right on.
You see, we have to pray for this Nigeria because everything is just turning upside down. We are not going forward. We are just going backward.
Okay, we hear Abel.
So please put it in prayer. If you are a Christian or you are a Muslim, or even though you are a traditional, please just put it in prayer. So that we will have a way forward in this Nigeria. That's what I have to say.
Abel, thank you very much for at least putting that down because prayer is very, very important. But then, in as much as we could pray as Nigerians, make you also sing to our head, say yes. So if there are appropriate things to do right, make they do it right, make they do it, they shy away from them. Prayer, yes.
Now don't turn us to prayer warriors now. You there they say prayer. Before the election for 2015, you talk about prayer. Now prayer. Benue State Governor, they roll for grant, declare two weeks prayer and fasting. They cry. Do what you're supposed to pay salary, you don't pay salary. Invest, attract investors, you know attract investors. Prayer. Prayer warriors.
See at your veins on
prayer warriors.
See at your veins don't shoot at finish.
Nigerians don't begin a fast. Nigerians don't begin a fast.
No, they carry the problem of Nigeria for head. I think myself no say Nigeria say the situation.
If you carry any problem, join this head.
We get March in the month of June they call us. So make we answer March. Good morning, March.
Good morning.
Good morning. We hear you. Good morning.
Nkubi and Chukwudi.
Yes.
On a good morning, no.
Good morning, Oga Match.
I dey enjoy our program and die.
Thank you very much.
I say on a program they need to for body.
Thank you, Oga Match.
12 una dey talk the thing wey right. 12 una. But one thing I dey tell, what I want contribute here. This present government, I think Nigeria get democracy. This present government, the first government gave Nigeria to ever get for Nigeria as Nigeria since I was born. I am happy that now it go like say hard, but with time, no, the time we dey born una, I not say that like this una be. Una dey grow, change dey come. Before you don't dress good, but now doing dress by print. Now the change be that. I just want.
Hey, Match.
No, they calling him too much. No, they calling him too much. Match.
In fact, Match, thank you for that call. We got Marvelous. Good morning, Marvelous.
Hello, now, good morning.
Good morning, Marvelous from K2. Would they hear you?
I want to talk about that Buhari 1 year in office.
Would they hear you right on?
Yeah, may I be honest, Buhari never do anything. So he fight corruption. Now, brother, to me, if you want to talk to Buhari, they morally corrupt. Anybody with the lie, they morally corrupt. They morally corrupt person.
Oga Marvelous, why you talk saying they lie?
Huh?
Why you talk saying they lie?
They promised us to go names of Lucas. May 29, my brother will not see anything. He promised us 3 million jobs per year, my brother will not see anything. That one, they no be lying. No, we talk to. Now, things don't go back. Economy don't run down. Yesterday, Diamondback had 300 workers. Like Mohammed Shah, KG, the daughter. Let me be honest, his last week, UBA start 1,200. Things don't go down. They passed kidnapping law. 3 days after they passed kidnapping law, they kidnapped Kwara State Secretary. So you say everything don't run down for this country. The presidential system, when I watch that, I expect the Buhari to tell us, motivate us, tell us the roadmap. My brother, I'm not doing anything like roadmap. Buhari just a bit about this. They tell us, no worry, we'll do this, we'll do that. No direct roadmap. The minister of finance will come and tell us, the reason why tomato scarcity is that because infection, the spoiler, Lyman will talk about insurgency. They know the two of all the ministers and the president, they are not working in the same roadmap. So for me, I get disappointed.
Oga Marvelous, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't already talk and say it go dey good, make we dey very, very sincere and open with Nigerians because the position we don't put them there now because of the trust when we get for them. We appreciate you. We get Helen. Helen, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Helen, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Helen, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Helen.
Good morning.
Yeah, would they hear you?
All right. I want to talk about this economy.
Okay.
My brother, on Sunday, I won't buy tomato. I used to buy tomato every 2 to 500, but I use 3,000 naira to buy tomato to
3,000 naira.
3,000 naira
to buy tomatoes.
To buy tomato and pepper. Imagine. In fact, the funniest thing about all this thing going on in the country is everything go up, everything go up, but the salary, they know it. Do you understand me, my brother? So many things they go on. In fact, I don't want ordinary pure water now is 10 naira. Everything go up. Everything go up. Okay, somebody where they work now, where they pay 30,000. You inside the 30,000, you pay for your food, pay for your house rent. How much? No salary increase.
Helen, even from the way you they sound, we show say the thing they pay you well. But quick one, we know say the tomato scarcity when come for Nigeria. The right information I say it get one pest when they call tuta absoluta. Exactly. Now that one affect our tomato there. But then again, if we really dey very, very serious about agriculture, it go dey very, very easy for us to fit address this particular issue. So this one a major lesson for us to take all these things seriously. We get Paul. Paul, they call us all the way from Aja. Paul, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Paul, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Nkubi.
Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
I agree to Oga Paul.
But Oga Chukwudi, no blame Nkubi. Nkubi don't confuse for wetin dey happen for country.
Thank you.
No.
No.
I get confused now.
May I tell you.
Okay.
As I last week, I dey watch your program. You believe say the president go mention the names of the looters. Today, on Monday, he confused. Yesterday, Elijah Mohammed they talking on Wednesday they go mention the names. Today, they don't say on Thursday. So which one want believe? Right now, the country now, the Minister of Finance say they want feed children. As of last year, the budget now to feed children. But this year, somebody asked one question. The tomatoes and the rice where they mentioned last year, you know say the increase they higher than what they budget last year. So hope say this year we no go hear say now because of the tomato inflation, let me they no fit feed the children again. So I want you to help us ask the question.
Okay. Oga Paul, thank you very, very much.
Write that question down. Write that question down. Write it down so that you ask your people. Write it down so that you ask your people. Don't point me with your left hand. 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 You must answer a question. You must answer a question. Write that question down.
We have Uzochukwu.
We use with children. Write it down.
Uzochukwu, they call us from
write it down.
Ikeja. Good morning, Uzo.
Write it down.
Uzo is calling us.
Write it down.
Uzo, good morning. Uzo, you there?
I ain't go there when you don't write question down.
Uzo, good morning. Talk to us.
You see it? Write the question down. Nkubi, you must write that question down.
I will not write any question
here. You will write it.
Because you're not my lecturer here.
You're not my teacher. Is it not a caller?
You're not my teacher.
He asked you a question.
Don't you ever
you must
tell me to write anything here.
You don't write that question. You write it.
I want you now.
You write it. You will write the question.
I will not write anything.
You will write that question.
Come carry my hand. Come carry my hand.
If you don't write that question, now you go get issue.
Come carry my hand.
Now you go get issue.
Come carry my hand.
Write that question.
No, come carry my hand.
One, Nkubi, write the question.
You give me account.
You want to go?
You're giving me account.
Okay, we'll go break. You go show yourself.
You want to go break?
No, wait, we'll go break. No, you stand up for me now.
You are giving me account.
Stand up for me now. You stand up for me. To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.